Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. The living room is often considered the heart of a home, serving as a central space for relaxation, socializing, and entertaining. It is a place where family members and guests gather to unwind, engage in conversation, or enjoy leisure activities. The design and arrangement of a living room should prioritize comfort, functionality, and aesthetics to create a welcoming and harmonious environment. One of the key aspects to consider when designing a living room is seating. Comfortable and well-placed seating options are essential for facilitating conversation and relaxation. Sofas, armchairs, and love seats can be arranged in a way that promotes interaction and allows for easy movement within the space. Consider the size of the room and the number of people typically present to determine the appropriate amount of seating. The layout of the living room should accommodate various activities and needs. Furniture arrangement should allow for clear pathways and unobstructed access to different areas of the room. Consider the focal point of the room, which could be a fireplace, a television, or a scenic view, and arrange the furniture to optimize the view and create a cohesive and balanced composition. Lighting is an important element in the living room as it sets the mood and enhances functionality. Natural light should be maximized through the use of large windows or glass doors, allowing sunlight to fill the space and create a bright and airy atmosphere. During the evening, a combination of ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting can be employed to provide adequate illumination and create a cozy ambience. Consider using a mix of overhead fixtures, floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces to achieve the desired lighting effect. The color palette of the living room plays a significant role in creating a specific atmosphere and setting the overall tone. Neutral colors, such as whites, grays, or earth tones, provide a versatile and timeless backdrop that can be easily complemented with accent colors and textures. The choice of colors can also be influenced by personal preferences and the desired mood, whether it's calming and serene or vibrant and energetic. To add visual interest and personality to the living room, incorporate elements of texture and pattern. Textiles such as area rugs, curtains, and throw pillows can introduce tactile experiences and serve as a focal point or a way to tie the color scheme together. Incorporate different textures, such as smooth fabrics, cozy knits, or natural fibers, to add depth and variety to the space. The living room can be adorned with artwork, photographs, or decorative items that reflect the homeowner's personality and interests. Select pieces that resonate with the overall design scheme and scale them appropriately to ensure they harmonize with the size of the room and the furniture. Consider wall-mounted shelves or display cases to showcase treasured items and add a personal touch. Incorporating functional storage solutions in the living room can help maintain a clutter-free and organized space. Consider furniture pieces with built-in storage compartments, such as coffee tables with drawers or ottomans with hidden storage. Shelving units or bookcases can display books, decorative objects, or collections while keeping them easily accessible. Ultimately, the living room is a space for relaxation and connection. By considering the layout, seating arrangements, lighting, color palette, textures, and personal touches, a well-designed living room can become a warm and inviting space that reflects the unique lifestyle and tastes of its inhabitants. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!